Welcome to this room tour. We are at the Blue Bay Beach Resort in Zanzibar. So right when you walk in, there's another villa over there. We have a nice little table area. And then as you come into the bedroom, we have two double beds here with a mosquito net that covers both of them. This is a fairly large room. Here's another window that goes out. Here is we went to the spice market today. Here is the vanity area with two chairs. There's a television here. We have a kettle with coffee. And then the nightstand, we have a television, a light. I like these overhead lights right here. There's another chair over here. The really nice piece is this. So this is our view. We are set up like up on the hill, but you can see views of the beach. But look at this huge patio out here. I'm gonna sit out here in a minute and do some work, but this is really pretty up here. And then if you enter, instead of going straight, if you come this way, we have a full-length mirror, and then we have the luggage area here. These are interconnecting rooms, so that's the connecting door. So here is your closet area, space for your luggage. There is a cooler here. It's not stocked, but you can get items from the bar and bring them in. And then here is the bathroom. So we have this nice rain shower here, very large shower. And then we have the towel rack right there. And then the vanity here with bottled water. We do have a hairdryer here in the bathroom. And then there's the toilet. So this is the bathroom.